This is how you reduce stars in Affinity Photo to make your images go from this to this. Start by going to your adjustment icon and clicking curves. Then do a simple curves adjustment in order to bring out the night sky. A simple S curve will do just fine. Next thing that you want to do is you want to copy all of this and paste those two layers on the very top. You can do this by going to Edit, Copy Merged, and then Edit, Paste twice. Now you have two complete layers that you have on top. You want to turn off the visibility on the top one and then select the bottom one. Then with the bottom one selected, you can go to Live Filters, Minimum Blur, click Circular, and then bring the radius up to 1. Then click Merge. What this will do is it'll give you a very extreme star reduction effect. Now what you want to do is you want to toggle the visibility on the top layer again and select that. You can then go up to Select, Tonal Range, and select Highlights. Then in order to maximize this selection, you go to Select, Grow and Shrink, Circular, bring up the radius by 1 pixel, then select Feather and go to 0.5 feather and click Apply. What you do is you go up here to Invert Selection, click that button, and then click the mask button on the top layer. You can deselect, and there you have it. Your stars have now been reduced in Affinity Photo. Now you see there is a little bit of moire right here. So what you can do is you can go to this bottom layer and you can just bring down some of that star reduction effect, and that'll help with that problem. Make sure to subscribe for more nightscape photography content.